Can a machine ever truly think or feel؟ ثانية واحدة عشان الدنيا حر. أنا تكييف أجازة النهاردة. Can a machine ever truly think or feel? It's a question that even top scientists are puzzling over. Can a machine ever truly think or feel? That's a question even top scientists are puzzling over. I'm AbdurRahman ElGammal, CEO of Gammal Tech, and today we're exploring one of the deepest debates in AI, consciousness. Right now, most experts say today's AI can simulate thoughts and emotions, but doesn't actually feel anything. It's just performing massive pattern matching. Yet, as these systems grow more advanced, the line could start to blur. In one famous case, an AI's responses were so convincing that an engineer wondered if it had become sentient. Turns out it hadn't. But the fact that he even thought so is telling. So, what would it mean for an AI to truly be self-aware? The truth is, we don't know. Even defining human consciousness is hard. Some argue if AI behaves as though it's conscious, we might treat it that way. Others insist a machine can never have a genuine inner life. Yet, here we stand, forced to rethink what mind and life really mean. If an AI ever declares, I feel, therefore I am, how will we respond? It might just redefine our ideas of consciousness.